Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. This is Samreen here and I am here with a video of English first. As in the previous video we have completed lesson number 19. So today I am going to start lesson number 20. Let me tell you once again your syllabus for annual exam. From 15 to 20 means from 15 to 28 and then 31 and 32. So students, today we will start lesson number 20, that is tenses. Let me tell you, tenses are of three types, okay, and tenses tell us about the time, okay. For example, the things which happened or the things which are happening now is present, or already happened is past, and will happen in future is future, okay, future tense. So here you can see in yellow box it is written here that there are three tenses: the present tense, the past tense and the future tense, okay. To understand these different tenses, first you see the first column A, B, C where it is written. So the first one is he drinks tea, okay. So here you can clearly see that the verb is completely different. Here it is drink. Then you can see he drank tea. This is second form, okay, second form of drink. Then the third one is will drink. This is future tense, okay. In future, simple future, we only use first form, but when we talk about future perfect, so we use third form, okay. Now come to the downside. First we will start with the present tense, simple present, okay. In simple present we study about first form, and first form we use the form according to the subject. For example, he writes a letter, okay. Here it is written he writes a letter. If there will be they instead of he, suppose, then we will only use write. We are not supposed to put s over here, okay. So this is simple present tense. And now come to simple past. Simple past is like we use second form of the verb. Wrote, he wrote a letter. This will be same with singular as well as with plural. And the third one is he will. This is future tense, he will write a letter. So this will also be same whether he, she, or whatever subject will be there, the form will be same, okay. So only in present tense we have to keep in our mind that what we have to write s with the singular subjects, not with plurals, okay. Now come to the next page, the continuous, okay. Continuous means work which is going on continuously. For example, we are playing football in the park, means it is present one, that we are playing, okay. Is mr plus verb, first form of verb plus ing we use in this tense. Same we use in past continuous also, was, were, then first form plus ing and then the remaining sentence. But how we are going to categorize is mr is we use with singulars, okay, apart from I and plurals one. With I we use m, and with we or plurals we use r. And if we talk about past tense, so we and plurals, if whenever we have plural subject we use were, and whenever we have singular subject we use was, okay. So now come to the third one, we shall be playing football in the park. We shall be playing football in the park. It means shall be playing. In future they are talking about, for future they are talking that we shall be playing. So here be we have to use for future tense, okay, this one. Please keep this in your mind. Next come to the perfect tense. For perfect tense, whether it is present perfect, past perfect or future perfect, everywhere we are going to use third form of the verb, first thing. Second thing, has, have and had we are going to put according to the subject. So here in simple present we use has and have according to the subject, means with singular we use has, with plurals we use have, okay. The train has, so there is a one train, we are talking about one single train, that is why we are using here has. And if we talk about past Past perfect, so here whether the subject is singular or the plural, we only use had. Okay, the train had arrived. If we talk about that trains, then also we will put had. People had. So with past perfect, only one verb with third third form of the verb. Okay, next one is third one, the train will have arrived. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind, we will use will, shall plus have and then third form to complete the sentence. The train will have arrived at the station. Okay, next one. So here three tenses we have completed almost: simple present, simple past, okay, simple present, simple past, then simple future. Then after that three more we completed: simple present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Then present perfect, this one is present perfect, this is past perfect, this is future perfect, third one. Okay, so almost 9 parts we have completed. Now come to the verb forms of various tenses. Okay, there is a table basically on page number 83. On page number 83 there is a table. I hope you all are having books, so please turn your phone to look at this. Okay, it is basically categorized very neatly, so that very properly it is categorized, so that you can understand. First you can see simple present, okay, then present continuous, present perfect, then past simple, past continuous, past perfect, future simple, future continuous and future perfect. So the only thing which you have to keep in your mind is the form of verb, what we are going to use in which tense. I already told you, okay, where we are going to use second form, where we are going to use third form, where we use be and where we use has, have. Okay, and especially in future perfect we use has, have with will or shall. Okay, don't forget that. And we always use third form of the verb. But if we talk about continuous tenses, we never use third form, we only use first form plus ing. So please go through this. If you have any confusion, you can have a very clear idea after looking at or going through with this page. Okay, and you can ask me in doing comments. Okay, you can ask me by doing comments, sorry, and then you can ask even if you have any confusion in your live classes also, you can clear your queries. Now come to the next page, students. Exercises. Exercise number A. Recognize the tense of the verb in each of the following sentences. Also write it on given lines. So same way you have to write here after recognizing that which tense it is. Okay, let me tell you, please listen it carefully. The sun sets in the west. Sun sets. Which form it is? Simple present, means first form with s, it is simple present. Second one is the new light bulbs consume. So here the subject is plural, bulbs, and the verb is singular, consume. Okay, this is also simple present tense. Okay, third one is the police were running after the thieves. Were running means past continuous tense. Fourth one is the leader had delivered the speech. Had delivered means the action had already completed in the past, it is past perfect. Next one is I dreamt a strange dream. Okay, this is dreamt is the second form of dream, so this is simple past. I shall go tomorrow, simple future. It is raining heavily, present continuous. Then they will be quarreling with each other, this is future continuous. Okay, the players will have finished the game, future perfect. I told you will have, and then third form if we use, that is future perfect. Then my brother has stood first in the examination, this is present perfect tense. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Then next exercise, if we see, write the following sentences in various verb forms of the sentences. Before that, students, I am showing you the answers here also, okay, so that you can fill it properly. With pencil you all have to fill in your book. Now come to the next one. Here students, you have to make sentences. Actually one sentence is already done for you. So same sentence you can use for making other sentences. For example, she sings a song. So if you have to make continuous tense, she is singing a song. Then if present perfect, she has sung a song. Likewise, you have to make. So I have already made this for you. You can make it by your own also. If you want to take any other sentence, you can change in every line. Okay. Next sentence, next exercise, fill in the blanks with the present tense, present simple, okay, of the verb given in the brackets. Okay. The bus dash here. Simple present we have to use. So the bus is a singular one. So here we will put stops here. Next, who lives in this place? Who lives? Lives means here it is written live, and we are talking about one person. So we will put S, lives. Then my grandmother dash us an interesting story. Grandmother is one person. So tells we will put here, tells. Then these children a noise in the class dash. So make means children is a plural subject. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. This is the next exercise, learners drill. Students, here they have categorized like this, means they have given you the hint like PS, PC. So PS means here it is written past simple, then PP means past perfect, then PC means past continuous. Okay. So for example, Mahesh, you can see here, take a popular novel from the school library yesterday afternoon. So it is how we have to change, in which we have to change present simple, okay, sorry, past simple. So take will be converted into took, second form. Then for example here PC means past continuous. So bake will be converted in Mrs. Verma was baking a cake, okay, for her grandchildren this morning. Next, Neetu dash draw a picture for her mother and painted it last night. Past perfect means had drawn. Next, my grandfather dash send a birthday postcard to his friend in Delhi 3 days ago. Past simple. So the second form of send is sent, S-E-N-T. Okay. Next one is Mohan dash his new Mohan dash his new red bicycle in the park last Saturday. So here we will put Mohan was, past continuous we have to put Mohan was riding his new red bicycle in the park last Saturday. Okay. Next one, Ravi dash a letter to the publishing house about his new story book. Okay. So Ravi, this is past simple, wrote. Then Firoz dash for about 2 hours in the sea and he walked on the beach for some time. Past perfect. Had swum. Swim is the form. So we have to put third form, had swum, S-W-U-M. Next one, Namit and Vikas dash momos when they were very young. Sell and past simple. So it will be sold. Okay. Next one, Mona dash some ketchup and jam for the supermarket last weekend. Past perfect, had bought. Bobby and her, sorry students, tenth one is remaining. Rajan dash a burger and dash a glass of coke in the cafe yesterday. First one is past perfect. So for past perfect we will put had eaten. Eat is the verb, and simple past, second one drink, so it will be drank. Now come to the 12th one. Bobby and his father dash the sports news in the newspaper 4 days ago. Past simple. So students, for read, it is read in bracket. So for read there are two different forms, read, 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 but the spellings are same. Okay, R-E-A-D read, R-E-A-D read, R-E-A-D read. So here we will put R-E-A-D read, second form. So how we have to pronounce this? Bobby and his father read the sports news in the newspaper 4 days ago. Okay. So I hope it is clear to everyone. So students, I have completed lesson number 20. In the next video, I will be giving you lesson number 21. So till then, please take care and study well.